Hi everybody, it's Didi here. How you all doing today? Good. Now today we are going to learn about fire prevention and fire safety. What do we need to do? You need to keep your hands off fire related things like the candle, matches, and stove. If you need to use them, you need to ask an adult for help. And if you're in the dark and you need to see, it's better to use a flashlight instead of candles. Okay? Good. And I know we all like campfires. We like to roast our marshmallows, we like to roast our hot dogs, but when you're doing all that, you need to keep a safe distance. What's a safe distance? A safe distance is an arm's length. This is an arm's length distance. You don't go too close to the fire, just to keep safe. Okay? Yes, and then in case you're in a building that is on fire, you need to get to the nearest exit as fast as you can. And the easiest way, if the house is full of smoke, is you go on your knees and you crawl to the nearest exit. If the door is hot, on fire, you go to the window and use the window. And then once you're out of the building, you should never go back inside. Even if you forgot something, be it your toy or someone, you wait for the firefighters to come and help and save the toy or the person. You can always remind the adults to call the emergency number, which is 999. Okay? And in case your clothes catch fire, what are you supposed to do? You need to stop what you're doing. You drop and roll until you put out the fire. Can you try it? Stand up and let's try it together. Good. Stop, drop, and roll. Very good. Now let's try and remember the things we've learned today. What are we supposed to do? We keep our hands off fire related things like like the candle, matches, and stove. If we need to use them, we ask an adult. And if you need to see through in the dark, it's better to use a flashlight instead of a candle. And what do you do if a building is on fire? Good. You get down on your knees and crawl to the nearest exit. And if the door is on fire, you go to the window. Very good. And what do you need to remember when you're outside? Not to go back inside the building on fire and wait for the firefighters. Then what do you do if your clothes are on fire? Good. You stop what you're doing, you drop and roll. Awesome. And when you're roasting your marshmallows and your hot dogs good, you keep a safe distance, which is an arm's length. Very good. That's all for today. I'll see you in the music class. Goodbye.